Hello everyone, I am Kenneth Vincent Kabungkal, your Mr. Supranational Philippines 2025. And I would like to invite you all to visit here in the Surge new branch here at Gateway Mall 2.
So what's your preparation for your upcoming competition? So it's last next month, right?
Yes, we will be flying next month, June 16 to be exact. And our competition will be on June 28.
Okay, good. So
Yes.
what is your preparation in terms of your
Uh, as
physical and yes?
As of now, we are we have a lot of preparation today, most especially for our Q&A, our physical. Araw-araw po tayo nagti-training, everyday Q&A, everyday yun. And we are also processing our visa, lahat ng mga kailangan natin, suit, national costume, lahat yun. And dahil gusto po nating manalo and gusto ko pong sana na ma ma gawa natin yung best natin, like just like what Brandon did on the previous match, previous year.
May motive na ba for the national costume? Pwede mo na ba i-review?
As of now, baka hindi pa po pwede, but I think pwede naman yung designer natin, that is Axel Cue. Yes.
So, Kenneth, right after the coronation night, ano ko namang ginagawa?
Right after the coronation night, since pumunta po yung pamilya ko dito, nagsama po kami, tapos kumain sa labas. But after noon, nagpahinga kasi medyo napagod din sa duration ng pageant. But eventually, nakapahinga po tayo. And now, we're ready to, we are preparing for a big event that will be in Poland.
Talking to your pasarela, is there another pasabog ba sa international pageant?
Oh yes po, as of now, we're training sa Aces and Queens. And doon, marami po akong trainers doon. Tinuturuan po ako ng mga bagong style and more about pasarela na hindi ko po natutunan on my previous pageants.
Ano sa tingin mo yung katangian na hinahanap ng isang Mr. Supranational?
For me po, someone that is authentic, someone that is natural, and yung parang I think yung someone na yun is he's friendly, he's kind, he's humble, and I think we have that values as a Filipino. And I think aangat po tayo sa international stage dahil po dyan. And hopefully, yun yung maging parang key to success natin sa supranational.
And what are you looking forward sa Mr. Supranational in Poland?
Marami po. Since this is my first time going outside the country, I'm expecting to see beautiful places around the world, and makikita po natin yung mga likha ni Lord. But aside from that, I'm also excited to connect with different country, with different people from the different parts of this world. Yun, sana maging connected tayo. This is not just about competition, but this is about connecting with each other.
So, have you talked to Brandon? And did he advise you on how to get the first ever crown of Mr. Supranational?
As of now, nag-contact ako kay Brandon, but siguro medyo busy siya. But I have also friends past supranational, which is AR de la Serna, sila Johannes. So yun, humingi pa ako ng advice sa kanila ko anong ginawa nila in the previous years, and ano yung mga tips and pagkukulang nila before, and kung ano yung mga i-apply ko doon na mga kailangan kong gawin para sa supranational.
Let's go back to your performance during the Mr. Pilipinas Worldwide. So, how will you rate your performance during that time?
During that time po, since every time naman po na lalabas tayo sa stage or in any event po, always naman po nating binibigay yung best natin. So I can say that that's a 10 out of 10. Pero siguro mas more pa. Kaya natin mas lagpasan pa yon in international stage.
Were you expecting that night for aside from Mr. Supranational title or
To be honest, gusto ko po yung Supra. But hinayaan ko na po si Lord kung ano yung ibibigay niya sa akin. Sinabi ko po na whatever answer yung ibigay niya, manalo o matalo, dun po ako, yun po yung destiny na ibibigay niya sa akin. Kaya whatever it is, go po tayo dun. Accept po natin.
Pero if you were to choose, Supra ba or other brands?
Sinabi ko po yun sa closed door that I would love to have supranational as my title kasi yun yung perfect na mag-a-align sa akin, being aspirational, inspirational. Yun yung parang connected sa story ko, sa personality ko, parang align po siya sa values, sa core values ko, sa person. And parang perfect po ako sa pageant na doon ngayon. So, hopefully, sana po mag-align din tayo doon sa organization nila. And magiging easy lang yung mga gagawin natin doon and parang smooth lang lahat na wala tayong masyadong problems. Most especially na this is my first time living outside this country.
Have you seen other candidates na ba for Mr. Supra? Nakita mo na yung mga ibang candidates?
Yes po. Actually, bago po tayo sumali sa MPW, nakita ko na po yung may mga kalaban. Pero not everyone. But nakikita ko na po. And we have also friends from my previous batch, previous pageant. And mga kaibigan po nila yon. Kaya yun, naging connected po easily yung mga kabatch ko ngayon. So parang, nag-follow lang kasi magkakilala na yung mga friends ko from them. So easy lang. And hopefully, magkakaroon tayo ng friendships there from different country. Na kasi yun yung important na madadala natin a lifetime friendship.
Kakawaan lang, sa palagay mo, sino yung magiging kalaban mo? Anong fans?
Ngayon, sa supranational,
Sino yung threaten ka? Parang gano'n, sino yung threat sa
sige, hindi naman po threaten, but I think someone na nakikita ko na siguro mag-stand out, parang si Netherlands ata, tsaka si Paris ba yun? Or Italy, siguro. Si Italy, yeah. Paris, Italy.
Parang Google be next, parang gano'n. Anyway,
Malakas din.
how about your wardrobe? Okay na ba? Settle na ba lahat?
Sa wardrobes ko po ngayon, I think inaayos pa naman kung sino yung mga susuotin natin. But may nalaman ako doon, siguro mga sikat na designer sa Pilipinas, yung magsusuot fashion industry. Susuotin natin sa international stage. Kaya I'm very thankful and grateful po sa bagong organization kasi maayos po lahat. Like everything, parang spoon feed, ganun. But ginagawa din natin yung part natin para maging doble yung atake.
Can it any sign during the coronation like the Mr. Supranational title will be?
That night,
Yeah.
siguro po during closed door. Kasi
Naramdaman mo.
naramdaman ko after ko pumasok dun sa room, nag-closed door interview, tapos parang it's very smooth. Like nasabi ko lahat ng gusto kong isabi. Like parang natural lang from my heart lang kung ano yung gusto kong sabihin. Tapos nakita ko yung may-ari ng Supra parang doon parang bumilib at parang yun yung parang naging parang something na gumana yung sarili ko, performance ko dahil parang okay na yun.
Nagkausap ba kayo ni current Mr.
Si Fizil, Dr. Fizil. Yes po. Actually nag one-on-one kami. Nag-talk kami. First, tawag diyan, binigyan niya ako ng advice kung ano yung mga nangyayari doon and how you deal with the people there. Paano yung lugar doon. Medyo malamig daw ngayong June. Kaya dapat ready lang always and just be you. Continue to be you. Don't mind about the crown. Mind about your story. Bring that to international stage and use that as your power. Yun yung sabi niya sa akin.
Alright, so you can ask support for your upcoming Mr. Supranational international pageant.
So, Pilipinas, samahan niyo ako sa Poland. I need you, everyone, most especially sa mga naniniwala sa atin, sa mga friends natin, sa aking pamilya, sa lahat ng media. Continue to support me on this journey. Kailangan ko po kayo. Wala po ako dito kung wala kayo, and wala po ako doon kung wala po din kayo. So, hopefully, ilalaban ko to, and sana tulungan niyo ako sa laban na ito.
One last thing na lang. What are you most excited about sa segment ng Mr. Supranational?
Most exciting part, I think yung makapunta lang doon po is I'm very excited for that kasi yun talaga, it's my first time and sa ibang lugar, and ito din na magre-represent tayo again sa Philippines sa international stage. I'm very excited for that, and I hope na hindi ko to sasayangin na opportunity na nangyari sa buhay ko.
How about segment? Like mga swimwear?
A segment, siguro, since nakita ko na yon yung siguro sa ano nila, sa tawag dyan, sa production nila, siguro yun. Very lively, fun lang, tas parang, ang saya, di ba, yung opening nila.
And yung nakita namin sa during the Mr. Pilipinas World Cup. Yes. Kasi medyo mas hindi mas ano kasi yung performance niya nung actually
Happy lang, enjoy lang, happy lang. Napi-feel ko din yun during my performance, parang tama yung ginagawa ko as what I am expecting. Kasi from the previous pageant, siguro mas gigil ako nun. Tapos mas ngayon, kinalmahan ko na lang. And yun yung parang naging way na manalo tayo doon.
Kaya kagandahan kasi sa'yo during the other segments, parang chill ka na. Pero yung finals, nag-doon ka na lang siya. Yeah. So parang nagulat yung mga tao, meron pa pala itubo na si Kenneth. Parang gano'n. Exactly. And no pressure at all.
Wala. To be honest, parang hindi po talaga ako kinabahan during that night. Parang dahil siguro sa experience, isa yun sa nakatulong sa atin. Parang wala talagang kaba, parang tama ba to, Lord, na hindi ako kinakabahan. Doon natanong ko sa sarili ko, but I think dahil sa experience and dahil sa gabay ni Lord. Kasi parang every time, yun yung parang ano ko ba, parang something na tumutulong sa akin is prayers po talaga. Every yeah, sarili. Tama din naman. Parang it's a good win.
Alright, so thank you so much, Kenneth, and best of luck sa journey mo sa Mr. Supranational of 2025.
Thank you so much, Mami. More interview soon. Ingat kayo always.